In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add MACD in TradingView. If you've ever wondered how traders quickly gauge momentum and potential trend shifts, the MACD is one of the go-to indicators. It stands for Moving Average Convergence Divergence. And the good news is that it's built right into TradingView, so adding it to any chart is fast and straightforward. Start on any chart in TradingView. Look toward the top of the screen for the button labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. This opens a searchable library of built-in tools and community scripts. Click that button to bring up the panel. Inside the Indicators panel, you'll see a search box at the top. Type MACD into that search field. Don't worry about capitalization, TradingView will find it either way. You'll notice several results, including community versions, strategies, and sometimes custom scripts. For a clean, reliable starting point, use the built-in option. From the results, click the one named Moving Average Convergence Divergence. It's typically listed under built-ins and often tagged as by TradingView. The moment you click it, the MACD will appear on your chart in a separate pane below the price. That's it. You've successfully added the MACD. Let me quickly orient you to what you're seeing. The MACD usually displays two lines and a histogram. The main MACD line reflects the relationship between two moving averages of price, while the signal line smooths that movement. The histogram visualizes the distance between those two lines, making shifts in momentum easier to spot at a glance. By default, the standard settings are commonly used across the industry, which makes your chart easy to follow and share with others. If your chart looks crowded, you can hover near the boundary between the price chart and the MACD panel, and drag to resize the indicator area for better visibility. You can also toggle it on and off from the chart's indicator list if you need more space while analyzing other tools. And when you're ready to learn more, the small gear icon on the MACD pane opens its settings, where you can explore colors and inputs. But for now, the default setup is perfectly fine for most users. To recap the flow, open the Indicators panel, type MACD in the search bar, and click Moving Average Convergence Divergence. With these three actions, you've added a powerful momentum indicator to your TradingView workspace and taken a solid step toward more informed technical analysis.